My name is Lise Østergaard. I'm the General Manager for Atria Denmark.
Hi, I'm Jan Kokborg. I'm the Technical Manager here at Atria Denmark.
My name is Ole Balser. I'm the Managing Director here of Weber in Denmark.
We are producing cold cuts for primarily Danish market, for the retail market, and we also do export for the UK customers, pepperoni business.
Before we bought the new Weber line, our biggest challenge was production capacity. So we didn't have the uptime on the old machines, and we used 2 lines to produce fewer packs than we do on 1 line today. So the new line from Weber freed up a lot of space in the room. We are saving money and people in production that can be used elsewhere in production. We started discussion with Weber around 2 years before we actually got the new line. So we showed them which products we wanted to make on the line. We discussed which pack to make on the line and the most efficient way to do it.
So the way that we solved it was we found the right setup. And in this case, it was a setup with a scanning process. So we scanned the natural product, so we knew its shape and its weight. After that, we transferred the data to our slicer. And in this process, we could use the data from the scanner and slice every portion with the right amount of slicing, the right thickness, the right weight, and the right quality. And then add that into the packs of the new repack from Weber.
We are a traditional company, but we have to stay with the future and look into improvement and efficiency all the time. And that's why we contacted Weber to make a solution together with us.
One of the things that was also a requirement and a need in this process was the flexibility with our pickers. Because the customer saw the demands what they have right now, but don't know what they have to do in the future. So we decided together with the customer to go with a flexible solution with a 3-head picker, so they're ready for the future. After our picker solution, we are using our WeSort unit to sort out all empty packs if there are any, and also be able to pull back packs for re-inspection, and always focus on running downstream with good packs for our cartoning system after. During the process of building the new line, we had to focus on one of the existing old lines.
We needed a new packaging solution that was to meet a better price point in the market, but also for sustainability reasons to reduce plastic consumption.
And there we got the possibility to change one of the thermoformers to a Weber thermoformer Repack 7000. And in this combination we now have an old technology of drive system together with new technology. And we found a way that this could work together.
The collaboration with Weber has been very good. They have a lot of experience and a lot of know-how in building a whole line solution together with us.
The collaboration with Weber has been excellent and super. The service level is really, really good. Of course, I would ask for another offer from Weber again if I need a new line.